We are constantly visually stimulated by ads in every location or media forum. Be it billboards or videos on YouTube, every platform is showcasing some product or service in the most creative package possible. And over the years, India has produced some gems in terms of ads. And I know there are many. So here's me covering some. And if the video does well, we will cover even more in the next list. So don't give me a hard time if I didn't feature your favorite ad. Here is Tried and Refused Productions with top 10 best ads or commercials. The Hindu. Another great depiction by The Hindu on our political leaders and their day-to-day behavior in parliament. The commercial commences with the teacher putting a topic on the floor and points out the team for and against the topic. The teacher makes it clear that he wants strict parliamentary procedure during the course of the debate. And what follows is the funniest but more importantly, the sad truth.
Since 1960, we are trying to pass the bill for the rural development. And the structure of the bill is in the way. The structure of the bill is for the design and the purpose.
Naukri.com. Naukri.com is known for its innovative commercials, and the phenomena we have all noticed or experienced in any workplace is the grumpy and arrogant Hari Sadhu. This has to go down as one of the funniest characters in an ad.
Hari Sadhu.
Sir, may I? Yes, write down Hari Sadhu. H for Hitler, A for arrogant, R for rascal, I for idiot. That's right.
Ambuja Cement. One ad that highlights the innocent and humble nature of the ex-WWE star the Great Khali. Ambuja Cement takes an amusing look at the daily struggles the athlete has to face due to his immense power that he possesses.
अपने आप को मैं हेल्पलेस फील करता था.
But obviously, the solution to all these weak walls and frailties is Ambuja Cement. Quite the hilarious idea and execution. Seagram's Imperial Blue. An ad that takes a satirical take on how men are complete douchebags and would any day prefer to hang out with the boys rather than their wives is hilarious. A group of men are shocked after their peer's confession. A man joins in the conversation to find out what exactly happened. The case is a true reflection on how men will be men.
ये इसे क्या हो गया?
इसकी वाइफ का
क्या?
ऑफिशियल टूर 1 हफ्ते का
हाँ
कैंसिल हो गई.
नहीं यार.
Men Will Be Men, Seagram's Imperial Blue Super Hits Music Series.
M-Seal. In my opinion, one of the funniest commercials till date has to go to M-Seal. A family mourns next to the deathbed of the eldest in the family. In the midst of all this sadness, the son makes sure that the father hands over the will to him with as many zeros ahead. Locking everything on paper, the son is satisfied. And what follows is the best product placement and plot twist ever.
सिर्फ एक टपकती बूंद आपकी किस्मत बदल सकती है. घर में रखिए MC हमेशा.
Fevikwik. This gem of a commercial was made to cut down all the negativity surrounding the much hyped India vs Pakistan match at the ICC Cricket World Cup 2015. Wagah border and the two representative soldiers, both notably out of shape mind you, put on the best show possible, and rather than there being animosity and hatred between them, the Indian soldier comes to the Pakistan soldier's rescue. Todo nahi, jodo. Simply brilliant. The Hindu. What has to go down as one of the biggest burns or jabs at its competition has to go to the Hindu's ad, which depicts the realistic nature of how well informed today's youth is about important social and political issues.
What does ATM stand for?
Anytime money. Automatic terminated money.
All time machine.
Anytime money.
You should be knowing this.
And when they are asked which newspaper they read, well, they couldn't be clearer that they meant war.
Which Bollywood heroine is associated with size 0?
Kareena.
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 Kareena. Kareena.
Kareena.
Which newspaper do you read?
Abbott. One of the most heartfelt and beautiful commercials has to go to Abbott. A commercial that looks at the most pure relationship between a grandmother and her grandson. What looks like the grandmom coaxing her grandson to ride a bike is actually the other way around.
दादी प्लीज मत चलाओ, गिरोगे तो बहुत चोट लगेगी.
ये पकड़, चल, मार धक्का.
The grandmother, full of excitement and joy, really embodies what the company stands for. Dreams have no age limits. Life to the fullest.
Life to the fullest. Abbott.
Lifebuoy, an ad that reflects on the initiative taken by Lifebuoy to inculcate cleanliness and hygiene among the population of the country. The commercial sheds light on over 2 million deaths of children that die of infections like pneumonia and diarrhea. The heart-touching and powerful commercial sees an entire village follow Gundappa, a father walking on a handstand towards the village temple, as a sign of service to the gods for his children that lived for more than 5 years, free of any kind of disease or condition.
मेरा बच्चा 5 साल का हो गया.
इतना सब 5 साल में कौन सी बड़ी बात है?
बड़ी बात है मैडम. ये गुंडापा का पहला बच्चा है जो 5 साल की उम्र तक पहुंचा है.
क्या?
The powerful advertisement is definitely one of the best produced commercials with an important social message. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
So, when is the anniversary, sir?
Yesterday.
Five carat diamond, princess cut. Take it.
Security! Security!
जी मैडम.
बजरंगी?
बजरंगी?
फिसल गई जुबान.
मनोज, इधर क्या कर रहा है? पिक्चर देखना है क्या?
नहीं बाल कटवाने आया है.
Google Search Reunion. What has to go down as one of the most well-crafted and beautiful commercials has to go to the Google Search Reunion, a cinematic, subtle masterpiece that revolves around 2 individuals wanting the reunion of their grandfathers separated due to the partition of India and Pakistan. It is a must-watch for everyone. I urge everyone to search Google Search Reunion ad and check this out for yourselves. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if there were some video ideas you have for our channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please don't forget to support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.